Hello, I'm Rashmi Urdhwareshe, former Director, Automotive Research Association of India. I'm also the President of SAE, Society for Automotive Engineers, India. I have noticed that occupants in the passenger cars are being subject to various forces that happen on road. Safety of these occupants is so much paramount, but we keep forgetting that there are simple systems that can protect the occupants more and more effectively. Take the example of the seats themselves. Seats have undergone transformation in designs. Development has resulted into comfort on one side and safety on the other side. Seats are also very important because they keep the occupant anchored in case there is an accident. When the accident happens, the occupant of any vehicle is subjected to severe acceleration and decelerations, which is very harmful to the human body, and that's where actually effective designs of seats and the seat belts and put together as known as seating systems is very critical. Take also the example of seat belts. Over the period of several years, now seat belts have undergone changes and technologies. But the occupant forgets that this very simple device is so effective in anchoring the occupant at the seat to the vehicle frame, which is so critical in case there is a crash which happens. We are seeing around us important lives are being lost, important people have to succumb to fatalities, and so is the case for every occupant in the vehicle. It's very important therefore to keep an eye on what technology is available to everybody of us who sit in the vehicles. Do buckle up, do also be mindful of the important things that have constituted to the passive safety, which will protect the occupant in case there is an accident. Remember that life is precious and always protect it. Thank you.